I have a question for you regarding budget. Ako, I'm very particular about budget. And I remember the first time we spoke, binanggit ko sa'yo yung isang issue ko with the budget. It's the confidential funds. Now, I want to know, will you at least try to file to get rid of the confidential funds? Or not get rid, sige, to lower it back to reasonable levels, unlike what it is now.
Okay, that would be taken care of during the budget deliberations. You can always make that proposal na okay, itong ano na to, itong department na ito hindi na dapat to binibigyan ng intelligence fund. Ito pwedeng bigyan pero konti lang.
Yes.
Limit lang to really the agencies, the departments, the instrumentalities of government na talagang merong security-related functions and other functions na kailangan talaga ng intelligence funds. For example, okay, syempre clear sa atin yung AFP, yung PNP, yung NBI,
Yes.
NICA, as National Security Council, and all, PIDEA.
Yep.
Meron dapat intelligence confidential funds. And then, DOJ because of the WPP.
Right.
Witness Protection Program. Siyempre may mga ano yan, for safe houses.
Yes.
You have to secure witnesses. So kailangan ng mga confidential funds. Pero dapat maging maingat lagi ang Kongreso. When the executive through the Office of the President in the NEP ay maglagay, mag-propose ng mga intelligence funds, dapat binubusisi yan. Maging mas maingat na. Tapos sa Office of the President. Diba yung Office of the President, necessarily, dahil nga, siya yung Commander-in-Chief
Yes.
of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. So necessarily, meron din siyang confidential intelligence funds. Pero as to the level, kailangan bang ganong kadami, mga 4 billion, mga ganyan, baka naman pwedeng less lang. But definitely, the Office of the Vice President,
Does not
what
need-
in heaven's name does it need intelligence funds for?
Right.
The past Vice President, di sila humingi. Si VP Lenin noon, never humingi ng intelligence and confidential funds. Even DepEd.
DepEd, exactly. I was
Ano
gonna
bang
say.
pwedeng intelligence
Pero,
funds ang
Well,
DepEd?
what's really insulting for me, when I saw what happened with the confidential funds and how it was bastardized is just in the hearings, lumalabas, nung tinanong, what did you use it for? It was never intelligence work. It was for medical aid. It was for mga kung ano-anong ayuda binibigay. And you're like,
Yung
wait a
mga
minute.
satellite offices.
Yeah, o satellite offices for
When
what?
these are political patronage.
Pero that's what was frustrating was harap-harapan. Sinasabi na nga na hindi naman inaamin na hindi intelligence work yung ginawa. And yet, for some reason, our mga taong bayan natin still accept it as okay. And yung paggamit ng mga alias na nalagay nga yung pangalan
Fictitious
ni
names. Chel Jokno.
Chel Jokno. Marian Rivera. Pati si Marian nakakuha ng 100,000.
Alam mo, Chris, hindi ko alam if it was a case of stupidity, plain stupidity, or hubris.
Hubris. It's hubris. For you to put that down, that's not being stupid. You just don't think you were gonna get caught or that you think you're above the law.
The sense of impunity.
Sense of entitlement pa.
Yeah.
Grabe. So that's why talaga important magkaroon ng I don't know how to be able to assign accountability when this person doesn't believe they're accountable to anyone. They don't believe they have to play by the rules.
Kaya nga, merong chapter ang ating saligang batas, yung accountability of public officers. At kaya nga, merong proseso called impeachment, lalo na dun sa matataas.
Nako, magandang usapan yan. Oh,
Kaya nga ganun eh. Kasi hindi pwede, no one, not even the president is supposed to be above the law.